Is it time to buy or sell Broadcom stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Broadcom. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 17th of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 6th of December 2024, our system has classified Broadcom as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.07. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 33.81% since we initially identified Broadcom as a buy candidate just 8 days ago. This results in an average return of 4.23% each day since its classification as a buy candidate. The stock currently resides in the upper segment of a broad and weak rising trend in the short term. This situation often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower segment of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $250.21 will initially signal a stronger upward momentum. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 5.45% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 28.74% to positive 9.83%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 41.63% over the next 12 months, with a potential return varying from negative 6.96% to positive 47.57%. This equates to a price range between $223.51 to $354.50 after a year. Our latest daily update for Broadcom includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Broadcom Stock Price After Tuesday Trading. The Broadcom stock price experienced a decline of 3.91% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 17th of December, 2024. The price dropped from $250 to $240.23. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.7%, with a low of $233.82 and a high of $242.47. The price has shown volatility during this period, and there has been a gain of 42.87% over the past 2 weeks. On the last day, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is actually a positive indicator, as volume typically follows stock movements. On that day, the trading volume fell by 31 million shares, totaling 68 million shares, traded for approximately $16.23 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $251.87, while the lowest was $104.15. Currently, the price stands 4.62%, or $11.64, below the 52-week high of $251.87, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Broadcom's recent surge highlights the company's ascension in the semiconductor and artificial intelligence sectors, particularly as NVIDIA enters a correction phase. With a strong fiscal fourth-quarter report revealing significant AI revenue growth, Broadcom is now being perceived as a new leader in the AI chip market, even surpassing NVIDIA in some valuation metrics. The ongoing AI and semiconductor boom, bolstered by substantial government and venture capital investments, suggests continued momentum for Broadcom. However, despite recent highs, Broadcom's stock experienced a pullback, reflecting broader market trends affecting the semiconductor sector. This volatility points to the risks associated with high valuations and escalating debt levels, potentially impacting investor sentiment in the short term. Long-term prospects remain promising, driven by the company's plans for custom AI chips and ongoing demand from major clients, reflective of robust industry trends. Additionally, the implications of the CHIPS Act and other investments in domestic chip production are likely to sustain growth within this sector, maintaining an optimistic outlook for Broadcom. In sum, while the recent performance is promising and positions Broadcom favorably for the future, investors should remain cautious about potential volatility and the implications of the current high valuation. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 16th of December, 2024, it was reported that CICC assigned AVGO an outperform rating with an upgrade action. On Friday, the 13th of December, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley rated AVGO as overweight with a hold action. On Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, Bank of America Securities assigned AVGO a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 8th of October, 2024, Cantor Fitzgerald rated AVGO as overweight with a hold action. On Monday, the 7th of October, 2024, Jefferies assigned a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Broadcom stock a general neutral rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also categorized as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have assigned the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Broadcom. Broadcom stock is currently presenting buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $204.23 and $177.33. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which could impact the near-term development of the stock. Specifically, a sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, December 16, 2024, and the stock has since declined by 3.91%. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased concurrently with the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk. This is because volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 7 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 13 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Broadcom. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $224.80 and $183.20. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Broadcom finds support just below today's level at $224.80. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $183.20 and $180.66. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $8.65 between high and low, which is 3.70%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 5.87%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Broadcom, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for tech companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of March, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.45. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Broadcom. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Broadcom is at $250. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Broadcom encounters its first support level at $224.80. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Broadcom from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's review some recent insider trades. On the 6th of November, 2024, Tanhawk E made an insider purchase of 1,477,110 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the same day, Tanhawk E also conducted an insider sale of 696,804 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the 11th of October, 2024, Kawas Charlie B executed an insider sale of 15,950 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On that same day, Brazil Mark David carried out an insider sale of 18,900 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. Earlier, on the 9th of October, 2024, Brazil Mark David also sold 18,900 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 7.105. Overall, insiders acquired 1,767,260 shares, while selling 1,608,263 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $228.49, reflecting a decline of 4.89%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, contributing to a significant risk factor. The relative strength index over 14 days stands at 80, which elevates the risk considerably. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified just 1 day ago. Is Broadcom stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable expectation for Broadcom stock to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, moving from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 18th of December, we anticipate Broadcom will open lower by $1.39, beginning trading at $238.84. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please leave a comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you success in your trading endeavors and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.